Hey, baby, what you doing? Y'all eating? What y'all eating? Come here, mamas. Look at them deer, man. They're just like pets. We're here at Port Mansfield. Gonna try fishing again. See if we have any luck. Just wanted to show you a little picture of nature here. All right, guys, see what we got here. Oh, that's a big catfish. Big catfish, man. Look at that nasty cat. Oh well. At least he didn't get my bait. Okay, what do we got here? Oh my God, that looks nice. Oh, it's a red. It's so red, baby. Oh, I hope you measure, dude. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, man. What a fighter, dude. But I don't think he's gonna measure though. He doesn't look like he's gonna be a keeper, but still a good fight. There you go. Let's take off that hook. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. What a beauty. Look at this guy. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna measure. Alright. Oh man, that was awesome. Yeah, baby. Come here, baby. Come on, come on. Come on. Don't. It's okay. There you go. Oh, dang it. Get my... What is it, dude? Oh, boy. Look at that. Look at that guy fight, man. It looks like a big ass sheep head. Oh, that was awesome, dude. That was awesome. Oh, damn. He is not ready to quit, man. He's not quitting. Oh, no. Get this line out of the way. Get this line out of the way, dude. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? He's over here. He's over here. Show yourself, dude. Man, you got some fight. Get in. Dude, I just... Oh, no. Oh, get away from the anchor. Get away from the anchor. Dude, this is a beast. Dude, that was just awesome. It is awesome when you hook something this big and it just fights for its life, dude. Hope that hook stays in there, dude. Come on, baby, show yourself. Look at that sheep's head. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Baby. I hadn't caught a sheep's head in a long time. Look at this bad boy. It ain't my hook, man. Oh, it ate the hook. What? Whew. Ah, that is a monster of a cheap head, I'll tell you that much. That is a monster of a cheap head. Look at that baby. Oh my God. That was a fight, guys. That was a fight. Yes, sir. Let's look at it right now. Ooh, my Lord. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Oh, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.